Hey everybody, Shane here. So today I'm going to do a quick video on how you're going to add ferrules to your cables. Alright, so here I have my cable. I'm just going to use a larger cable, make it a little bit easier to see, but you can do this on smaller cables too. So first you're going to do is you're going to have to strip this. Now you can do this multiple different ways. You can use a auto stripper, you can use a pair of just regular little wire strippers here. There we go. Or you can go ahead and use some flush cutters, which is generally what I do. Just to make sure that it's at the right, I don't know, I like using these. But before we do that, actually, we need to pick out which one we're going to use. So I'm going to use this black one. It's about the size of my cable. You want to make sure you pick one that is the right size for your cable. So a lot of these do have sizing guides, but I kind of just know per the different cables that I've used over the years on what I want to use. So I'm going to use the black one on this cable specifically. So when you strip this down, you kind of want to strip as big as this silver part is here. You kind of want to strip that down on the cable. You don't want any sticking out, but just shy of that is kind of what you want. I just pull that off, and there it is there. I'm going to go ahead and twist it because it is stranded wire, so we do want to make sure that gets a nice twist. I can go ahead and put on my ferrule. While I do that, I want to also twist it on like that, so it's twisted, and you can see, you can't really, you can see right there, a little bit of it, it's just inside of there. Now we're gonna get our crimpers. These are ratcheting crimpers. These are really awesome. You can see that the four jaws squeeze together, and that's what we need for ferrules. I'm gonna take it, put it inside, if I can do that without looking at it really. Okay, and it's gonna go right up to the neck there. You see that right there? So right up to there. And then you're going to squeeze. You see all four of those jaws jumped in on it. Let it go. And there is our ferruled cable end. You can see it's square now. And give it a little tug, make sure that is not coming off. And that's it.